In the name of God, the most kind and most merciful. Peace and blessings be upon you. In this video, we will discuss the method of performing the special night prayer offered during the fasting month, specifically for women. This includes the intention, number of prayer units, recitation, and the complete step-by-step method. Dear viewers, by the grace of God, we have once again been given the opportunity to experience the blessed month of fasting, a month that holds great spiritual importance and is associated with worship, reflection, and self-discipline. This month is not only about fasting during the day, but is also strongly connected with worship at night. Many people have questions such as, if praying 20 units of this night prayer feels physically difficult, is it allowed to pray fewer units? If standing for a long time is challenging, can the prayer be offered while sitting? And what is the correct way to perform this prayer from beginning to end? In this video, I will explain these points in a clear and simple way. The purpose is to provide general religious guidance and help viewers better understand this form of worship. According to religious teachings, this night prayer is highly emphasized and holds great spiritual value. Teachings mention that those who pray sincerely during the nights of this month with faith and hope for reward are promised forgiveness and mercy. Some women believe that this prayer is only meant for men and that women are not required to perform it. This is a common misunderstanding. In religious practice, many instructions that apply to men also apply to women unless clearly stated otherwise. Just as fasting is an important act of worship for both men and women, this night prayer is also encouraged for both. Therefore, women are also encouraged to perform it. Men often perform this prayer in congregation at places of worship, while women usually perform it at home. This leads to common questions such as what should be recited during the prayer and when it should be performed. This prayer is offered after completing the required night prayer. After completing the required night prayer and its additional units, this special night prayer is performed. It traditionally consists of 20 units, usually prayed in sets of 2. While it is allowed to pray 4 units together, the more commonly practiced and preferred method is praying 2 units at a time. After completing 4 units, it is recommended to take a short break. During this pause, one may sit quietly or engage in remembrance, reflection, or simple words of praise and gratitude. These short breaks help provide rest before continuing. In this way, the full 20 units are completed, with brief pauses after every 4 units. Another common concern is what to recite during the prayer. The guidance is simple. One may recite whatever portions of the Holy Book they have memorized. Reciting from the Holy Book during this prayer is highly valued, but it is not required to recite long passages if one is unable to do so. For example, if someone has memorized several short chapters, they may recite 1 chapter in each unit of prayer. If only a few chapters are known, they may be repeated. Even if a person knows only 1 short chapter, it may be recited in every unit. The prayer remains valid and acceptable. Finally, intention is an essential part of prayer. However, intention does not require memorizing or speaking specific words. It simply means having a clear and sincere purpose in the heart to perform the prayer for the sake of God. This video is intended for general educational purposes and reflects commonly practiced religious teachings related to this special night prayer. If it is already in your heart that you are offering the special night prayer after the night prayer for the sake of God, then that itself is your intention. There is no requirement to say the intention out loud. However, if saying it verbally gives you personal comfort, you may do so. You may simply intend to pray 2 units of the special night prayer for the sake of God while facing the sacred direction. You may also make one intention for all 20 units together. Simply having this clear intention in your heart is sufficient. After making the intention, you begin the prayer with the opening declaration of prayer and fold your hands. As explained earlier, after completing the required night prayer and its additional units, you then perform the 20 units of this special night prayer. The final night prayer should be offered after completing this special prayer, as that is considered better. After starting the prayer, you first recite words of praise for God. After that, you begin reciting from the opening chapter of the Holy Book. Then you recite any chapter that you have memorized. It is recommended to recite chapters in their proper order. This means that if you recite one chapter in the first unit, you should recite the next chapter in sequence in the second unit. Going backward in order is discouraged, although it does not invalidate the prayer. After completing the recitation, you bow respectfully while praising God. In the bowing position, you recite words of glorification at least 3 times. You then stand upright again, praising God, and proceed into prostration. You perform 2 prostrations, reciting words of glorification in each. When beginning the second unit of prayer, you again recite from the opening chapter of the Holy Book, and then another chapter. You then bow, stand upright, and perform the 2 prostrations in the same manner. After completing 2 units, you sit and recite words of testimony, send blessings upon the Prophet, and make a short, personal supplication. You then conclude the prayer by offering greetings of peace to both sides. In this way, you pray 2 units at a time until all 20 units are completed. The method of prayer remains the same as other voluntary or emphasized prayers. After every 4 units, it is recommended to take a short break so that the body can rest. This is the commonly practiced and established method of performing this special night prayer. After completing it, the final night prayer is performed, which includes a special supplication. If someone wishes to wake up before dawn for additional voluntary prayer and is confident they will wake up, they may delay the final night prayer and offer it afterward. Making it the final prayer of the night is recommended. However, if there is concern about not waking up before dawn, then it is better to pray it immediately after completing the special night prayer. A common question is whether it is acceptable to pray fewer units if praying all 20 becomes physically difficult. Traditionally, praying 20 units has been a strongly emphasized practice. Leaving it without a valid reason is discouraged. Since the early generations of the Muslim community, this practice has been widely followed. However, if someone is extremely tired, unwell, or facing a genuine physical difficulty, flexibility is allowed. It is better not to abandon the prayer completely, as this opportunity comes only once each year. If necessary, one may pray fewer units, such as 4, 6, 8, 12, or 16, depending on their ability. There is no special requirement that this prayer must be limited to 8 units. Preferences sometimes mentioned about praying 8 units relate to a different voluntary night prayer, and not this specific one. According to the majority of scholars, this special night prayer traditionally consists of 20 units. However, if there is real difficulty, a person may pray as much as they are able. God rewards people according to their effort and sincerity. The more units a person prays, the greater the spiritual benefit they may receive. Under normal circumstances, a healthy person is encouraged to make 20 units their regular practice. If standing for prayer is difficult, voluntary prayers may be performed while sitting. Completing the prayer while sitting is better than leaving it altogether. If a person sits without a valid reason, the reward is reduced. But if there is a genuine excuse, full reward is granted. This was a complete and easy-to-understand explanation of how to perform this special night prayer. I hope this explanation has been helpful and clear. May God grant all of us the ability to worship sincerely during this blessed month and to remain consistent in our prayers. May our efforts be accepted. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. You may also write any one of the beautiful names of God in the comments as a way to encourage others. If you liked the video, please support the channel by liking, sharing it with friends and family, and subscribing for more educational content. Until the next video, take good care of yourselves and remember us in your prayers. Thank you for watching.